Dear friends, today we bring you the installation video for pickup canopy. What you are seeing now are the canopy and its accessories. Before assembly, we need to apply waterproof adhesive tape to the connection of the side doors, which is very important. Similarly, there is a row of screws on the rails. We need to wrap each screw with solid waterproof adhesive, which greatly reduces the risk of water leakage. Then, thread the screws of the rails through the canopy roof like this. Now we can assemble the canopy. First align the side door with the screws and insert them. Then make sure to also install the gasket. Start fixing the nuts. Then locate a front or a rear door, another side door. Finally, locate the other front or rear door. Find the right screws and washers. Then start fixing the front and rear doors. Better placing all gaskets facing inward. Tighten each screw to ensure its waterproofness. The above operations are recommended to be installed by professional personnel. Okay, our canopy has been assembled. Next, we will install it on our beloved car. Attention! Apply the waterproof adhesive strip to the connection between the canopy and the pickup truck before installation. Get on the car. Be careful. Finally, use the special brackets to connect canopy and pickup. The special brackets that can connect to the original car holes. No need to drill holes. After fixing it, the installation is completed. Perfect.